guys, so I'm starting with the African shea butter. It's 100% natural, unrefined shea butter that I got from my local beauty supply store. I'm using all 10 ounces for this recipe, and so I'm just going ahead and placing it in my bowl. I went ahead and whipped up some of it just to see if it will make the consistency a little easier for me. So I love using olive oil in recipes like this because olive oil is a great moisturizer for the hair. It's going to leave the hair soft, smooth, and shiny while also preventing dandruff, as well as promoting scalp health due to the antioxidants inside of the olive oil. Next, I'm using avocado oil because it's rich in fatty acids and it's one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair. So those fats are going to strengthen the hair and help prevent breakage. Now I'm using the sweet almond oil because it has essential fatty acids to help moisturize the scalp and hair strands, providing hydration and leaving the hair shiny and soft. Jojoba oil because it's rich in vitamins and nutrients is going to hydrate the hair and soothe the scalp. Vitamin E oil is a natural preservative. It promotes healthy hair and boosts hair elasticity and shine while preventing breakage and split ends. Alright, now that I'm done mixing, I'm taking a mason jar that I just got from my local grocery store, a wooden spatula, and scooping the mixture that I just whipped into a container. This was actually super satisfying and fun to make, so let me know if you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll definitely make more. Thank you.